Okay, in the last video, we exported this file by right-clicking on it and we hit export, and then we made sure that it was an STL file and a millimeter. So now we are going to open our Cura software, and we're going to go ahead and upload that file in there. So the file should be in your downloads. So what you're going to do is make sure your printer is selected. So we only have two printers at the school. It's the Creality Ender 3 Pro and the Ultimaker S5. Okay, if you don't have these, add a printer. So you can go over here to the folder. You're going to open it up to downloads, and it should be the file that you have right here. You're going to open it up, and then it's going to show you what it's going to look like on the print bed. Okay, now a few things that you can do to this. Oops. Is you're going to slice it. So you're going to click on the slice, and it's going to take you 26 minutes. Okay, it's going to take me about 26 minutes, and if I hit the info, it's about 3 grams of filament, so that's not going to be a lot. But then the infill, 1% outer walls, take 19% of the time, and then so the skin is 35. So everything looks pretty good. So if you want to, let's say, change any of the settings here, you can change the layer height, the wall thickness, the infill, the density, how dense you want it to be. So I'm going to set it at 10%. You can change it to 20% as well, and then you'll reslice it. And then the printing temperature, I think I have it at 210 degrees Celsius, and then I'm going to hit slice again. Let's see if that changes from 26 minutes to probably a little bit more time since I increased my infill. Oh no, it's the same, and that's okay. And then up here is the generic PLA nozzle, and the material that we're going to be printing out is just generic PLA. And the nozzle we're using is 0.4 millimeters. That is the standard size. We don't really need a small one, just because it should be good enough. Okay, and then you're going to click Save to File. And then this is going to produce a G code that I'm just going to put in download here. Save. And it's going to give me the G code. I'm going to open the folder right here. This is the code that I need to put on a flash drive or an SD card and then upload it to the printer, and then it will print it out on my 3D printer.